When I say Singapore, what dish comes to mind?
Hokkien Mee.
Chili crab.
McSpicy.
I like to think that food makes us who we are. What we like to eat, what we don't eat, what we haven't had. It's quite telling of our stories and being. I remember the first time I had bubur lambuk, and if you're asking me what that is, it's okay because I didn't know what it was too. In every dish that someone makes here is their culture, history, heritage. There's always like a new thing to learn about either them or about the dish itself. And what I love most is when we call it's a wrap, right? Everyone just comes to eat together. It's quite a treasured time. We enjoy the food together, we share different memories together, and in fact we create new ones over a meal. If you really think about it, every dish you've had can be traced back to a moment, an emotion, an era, if you will. Bubble tea after dance practice, traumatized by ban mian because of food poisoning, or maybe you had mala after a breakup. Let me know. Be sure to check out the cutest virtual carnival, Singapore at Home, which has so many exciting, nostalgic games and activities. Wherever you are in the world, celebrate National Day with Singapore Global Network. You can find some of our exclusive recipes created by our friends on the website.